So APS Hub West is a $70 million project with 7 total buildings built on a greenfield site. So the first building is the admin building. There's a garage where they service their vehicles, a pole framing shop, a fuel island, a guard shack, a wash bay, and a water filling station.
The safety culture for this project was really started from the very beginning with the initial scope of works being civil, performed by McCarthy Civil, and concrete work throughout the site. And then that expectations and standards were carried throughout the project with the field staff, and McCarthy self-performed mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, performing large scopes of work throughout the project, which resulted in a project of almost 24 months and 350,000 man-hours, having 0 recordables and 0 lost time incidents.
So this was the first tilt panel job that McCarthy has done in the last 10 years. There were 3 total buildings on this job that were tilt panels, and we did not miss a single electrical box, embed, reveal throughout those 3 buildings due to great work plans and diligent QC from everyone involved. And we were able to share lessons learned with our partners over at Vantage and Southwest Airlines, who are also doing tilt panel projects right now.
Over at APS, our self-performed trades are the reason we're so successful out here. We were able to push schedule and quality, whether it was our concrete team, mechanical, plumbing, civil, or our low voltage. It comprised about 30% of the total contract value, right around $20 million.
I just wanted to say McCarthy helped us from pre-con and programming, construction documents, and all the way through construction. They helped us establish a budget, which wasn't easy in the first place, and helped us complete the project within that budget. They also creatively helped us navigate a number of supply chain issues that were just absolutely withering, but we got the job done and managed to squeeze the project in within our schedule allotment, which was no mean feat. But the thing I'd like to say most is that the people that worked on our team were just amazing. I've been in this business for more than 50 years, and I have never had a construction team where I could say there was not a single person in that trailer who was weak in any way. They were just awesome people, huge amount of integrity, intelligence, learning by the young guys. It was spectacular. So I also would like to just say that the wheels are in motion, and it looks like we might be getting the band back together again, so stay tuned. But just want to say thank you very much to the entire team. It was a fantastic job. Everybody at APS is thankful. So from Stephanie, Dave, and myself, we appreciate all your efforts. Take care.
At APS, we had an all-in attitude out here. We had 30% self-performed on a $70 million project. The biggest part of this was halfway through the job, our low voltage contractor went under, and our own low voltage team took over that. And not only did they excel, but they also picked up future work with APS. One of the ways our job is so successful is our top talent approach. We had 6 different promotions on this project and 2 interns. One of them we actually hired on is instrumental project in our tilt-up team right now.